guys, welcome to Mama's Choice. Today I'm gonna teach you to cook a new dish, beef stewed with potato. Let's have a look.
First, prepare 600 grams of beef brisket, cut to blocks, then 10 grams of minced garlic and ginger. Also 450 grams of potatoes, cut to blocks. I forgot to take a photo for this one. Now we use the hot water to boil the beef. This step is to get rid of the blood out of the beef a bit. Once the water starts to boil, take out the beef quickly. We're not stewing the beef here. Then put the beef aside. Then we start to fry garlic and ginger with medium heat. After fragrance, then we add the beef into the pot, fry them together. Then add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, then add 8 grams of dried chilli, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan doubanjiang sauce, it's spicy bean paste, 4-star anise, one tsaoko, two tablespoons of sugar or crystal sugar I'm using here. Add hot water until it covers all ingredients. Then we can use pressure cook to cook it for 15 minutes, or if you use pan, 1.5 hours. After that, we add potatoes and then cook for another half an hour. And then it's done. Ready to serve.